In this video, you will learn how to print and or just view a progress report for each student in your advisory class. From your home screen, go up to the Gradebook menu and down to Progress Report. When you first view this screen, you may see that the display "No data has been generated for this student" shows up. This this progress report data, is not automatically generated. You have to tell Synergy that you want to generate new progress report data each time. The first thing that we need to do is under Summary Method, we need to change by section to Class Summary. And let the page refresh. And then under Options, we can check or uncheck the boxes to show us the kinds of things we might be interested in. The overall grade is probably the thing that most folks are interested in, although you can, again, show the grading legend, as in an A is a 4, or a B is a 97%, or whatever the case may be. You can show points, show an achievement bar of sorts, and lots of other additional detail. For now, I'm just going to show the overall grade, and I'll show assignment detail just so that when I look at the data for each student, if they have any missing assignments or anything looks wonky, I can see that in the assignment detail. Then in the last section on the bottom, you'll first want to generate the data for this report. So click on Generate All. You'll get a little warning that says, hey, anything that you've customized or changed before now will get deleted, but notes will be retained. Do you want to do this? I say, okay, sounds great. Thanks, Synergy. Now this does take a couple of minutes to generate the progress reports because it's going through each student in your advisory. Now I have on-screen progress report information for each of my students. I can toggle the assignment detail on and off just by clicking this box that says Show Assignment Detail, which is great. I can also switch students by clicking a different student's name in the Student menu. That just takes me to somebody else's class information there. If I so desire, I can maybe turn off assignment detail or show it, and then I can print or email this progress report information. Clicking on the print email button down at the bottom gives me a display where I can set some settings. I can print an individual progress report. I can email a progress report. If I just want to print them all, I'm going to click the print button in the upper left hand corner. And what this will do is generate a PDF that splits each progress report, splits each student into their own page essentially, which might be really nice to run right before advisory, and you can pass those out, or you can have individual conversations with students, or perhaps just have conferences with those particular students that are struggling. From the screen, I would just print to paper as normal, or use it on screen to have a conversation with a student. And that is how you use student progress reports to have information to share with students in your advisory.